My people, always give them that liberty to have their boyfriend as it is here. Because as I'm just speaking with you now, to you direct now, here, people of this age, their parents even give them monies on the weekend to go and visit their boyfriend or girlfriend. But what you have to do as a madam or a mother is always ask them the character of these boys or these girls. And the boyfriend or girlfriend have to be the person of the same age, either they know in the school, especially in the school. Please, this thing you are hiding to them is not good, because when they find out, that is what leads to maybe they are eyeing your man or doing it in a way maybe you will not like. So what I'm trying to say, please allow them. When you look at this your daughter or this your son, they are very smart, because the world is a smart place. It's getting smarter every day by day. So what they will later know, it doesn't need you to be hiding it for them, or you are doing it because maybe you think you are trying to protect them to further their education. That practice will enhance their ability, will enhance their education. Just allow them to be free, because this thing we are hiding to them is something natural, of which we don't need to hide it to anybody. Please, the diasporans has told me to do or to ask this appeal for you, those of you who are parents, because I know that especially my people, there are many who still hide or trying to avoid their young ones, the adolescents, or this type of natural light that is light for everybody. I thank you for watching.